Hello loves, it's Ada's recipes with you today. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious, tasty, crunchy and soft onion and pepper chin chin. Are you surprised? Yes. So this was so delicious and you are going to love it. I know it's not popular, but you're going to love this one. Continue watching as I share with you guys. Okay, so here I have my all-purpose flour, and as you guys can see, sifting the all-purpose flour into a dry bowl. Add sugar, salt, baking powder. So I'm sifting it because of the lumps. Then here I have powdered milk, grated nutmeg, and I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients together. Add margarine. Then as you guys can see, rub the margarine in the flour. So this is how it will look like. Then here we have a mix of pepper and onions, right? So we're going to be blending this all together. Then make a hole, break in some eggs, then add the pepper and onion mix. Then you mix. So for the peppers, I added different species of pepper. I added scotch bonnet and chili pepper, like fresh scotch bonnet and fresh chili pepper with onions. Okay, so just rub and mix like so. Add water. Then mix. And mix. And mix. So you continue to mix until you form a dough. Continue to mix until you form a non-sticky dough. So don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description. So after watching the video, so make sure you check out the measurements in the description section below. So here is the non-sticky dough transfer on a flat surface and continue to knead, guys. Knead and knead and knead. That is the beauty of chin-chin. If you want your chin-chin to come out delicious, soft and crunchy, you have to knead, like knead your chin-chin dough. And as you guys can see, I don't add any flour, like I don't sprinkle the surface with flour. This is as a result of how and the measurements I used. Most people sprinkle flour, but I don't. So as you guys can see, as you knead, it becomes more smoother. Here is our dough. You're going to cut it into smaller sections, like smaller parts, like so. So it's time to flatten the dough. So why I cut it into a smaller part is to enable me, easily flatten the chin-chin dough like so. Just do what works for you. So this method works very well for me. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting the chin-chin dough to my preferred shape and size. So you can choose to cut your dough to your preferred shape and size, okay? This looks appetizing, like it's so colorful as you guys can see. Like the flavor was wow. Guys, try it out. I know it's not all that common, but guys, just try this out. In fact, you're going to love making your chin-chin this way. So we are done with the cutting of our chin-chin dough. Yeah, this is it. This is our chin-chin dough. The next thing you're going to do is to heat up your oil and fry the chin-chin dough. So guys, once you throw it in, okay, it will separate on its own. Once the chin-chin dough enters the oil, okay, it separates. So even if after cutting the dough it looks sticky, like the chin-chin, the cut chin-chin is sticking together, don't worry. Once it enters the oil, everything will separate on its own. So you're going to fry until golden brown. Just stir at close interval and fry on low medium heat. Don't fry on high heat so that your chin-chin wouldn't get burnt. Like guys, are you seeing this chin-chin? Make sure you try it out. Like I said, check the measurements and the ingredients in the description, and make sure you try this out and just give me your feedback. After frying, please transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil, and you can store, right? And also like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye.